In today's video, guys, we want to talk about forex entries and how to manage your trade. That is how to manage your winning trades. Okay, so over here, guys, I want to talk about NZJPY, what I saw and how the market played out, guys, until the market started to reverse. That is because of the news. Okay, so as usual, I do document my entries. Let me just show you how the market was looking like before we took that buy position, and it was a signal that I gave to my public, my premium members. All right, so this was on April 16th, and as I'm recording this video, today is 19th over here. So I told them, get ready for NZD swings. So this is how the market was looking like. Okay, so we were looking for swing position, and of course, let me just show you over here, guys. Of course, I cater for the swing traders, I cater for the scalping traders, and also I cater for the day traders. Okay, so let me just hit my replay tool and show you what I saw before taking that buy entry position. Okay, so over here I just try to do this. I'm not going to remove my drawings because I don't want to confuse you guys, or I don't want to waste your time actually. So over here, let me just hit this right over here. Yeah, before that candlestick actually closed above. Okay, so this is how the market was looking like, and based on the daily, I saw an inverse head and shoulder. So if this market is giving me an inverse head and shoulder, that just tells me that, okay, we're ready to take a buy, or this market is ready to give us buying property, or the market wants to go up. Okay, and we see we had, of course, high, high low, high low. Now the market came back to retest this trend line of mine in a bullish continuation pattern. Now inside that bullish continuation pattern, there was this left shoulder right here, this head, and now I was anticipating the market, of course, is going to give me that right shoulder. So this is what I'm trying to say: left shoulder, the head, market went up, neckline respect. Now it was coming down to give me a right shoulder. So the moment I saw that this market wants to give me a right shoulder, so that is when I said, I'm not going to miss this opportunity. Let me just see if I can take that buy position, or let me just see if I can look for buy properties. Okay, so that was based on the daily. Went to the 4-hour, and as usual, let me see. Okay, now this is how the 4-hour was looking like. So you see that we have a downtrend right over here. Okay, this down movement right here, that's called a downtrend, of course. So all of you know that that's a downtrend. But remember, the daily market is telling us that we should be looking for, or we should be ready to take a buy position. Okay, in fact, let me just do this just a minute before that. Right over here, this is how the market was looking like. Okay, and I said, this is it. If you try to look at this market once again, I saw that this might be another type of a double bottom. So that's another confidence, guys. So if the market is giving me a double bottom, let me look out for a level that the market is trying to respect or play around. And if it takes up that level, then I should be looking for buying opportunity. Okay, let me see. So we're right over here, the market dropped. I do not have a problem with that drop. In fact, it gave me another confidence when it dropped. Look at this. They just told me, okay, this is another double bottom. So if it trades out this high, I'm taking my buy entry. So played out, boom, played out, and right there I took that buy entry. Let me just show you. I call out this over here. You see, I was saying wait for the final conference, then we execute. Okay, watching blah blah blah. In fact, I had this video. Let me just show you. If we get a break above this level right here, this main level, that is this 1 hour, just starting to close above this resistance line of mine. You see right now it's still trying to test here. That's when we're going to take. You see, 9 minutes 15 to go. If we get a break, the next 9 minutes, we're going to take this entry, and it's going to be a good swing. And if it doesn't break, then we need to wait for the next hour candle. So we're just going to be patient, guys. position gain. Okay, hopefully this one closes above, because if it closes below, we're just going to wait again, and you never know, the next one might still play around and might break when we are asleep, so we might find this trade gone. Okay, that's why I'm hoping this one breaks. And guess what? The market broke. The market broke. Okay, then I just said she just broke. Let's see how it plays out now. This is when I call in for that buy opportunity. Okay, so the market, let me show you. Remember guys, we're still growing that $50 account. I mean, we're still trading that $50 account. So this is it. Remember, this is the third trade. The first trade we took was CHFJPY. Second trade was gold trade that gave us a boost, and we were up $170. Now this is the third trade in NZJPY, and you see, of course, this is when I took that position on the NZJPY. Of course, you just need to start with a drawdown, guys, before you see profit. So the market started playing out. Then I said, okay, after April 17th, day later, she's up 30. Good for scalpers. Now if you were a scalper, you are looking good right now. Okay, let's see. Scalpers should have been out. Okay, the market started playing nicely. Let me show you. So right here we were cruising nicely. Okay, let me show you. Okay, scalpers were to take that 30 pips profit. I swing, so I'm still holding. Yeah, I was still holding my position. Okay, somebody was saying, okay, that was when the market was pulling back, and I said, yo, keep calm, the market just needs to breathe. So 34 pips, remember, this is not like gold, so she will be slow.
Yes guys, so remember I gave you guys this signal. That is, I gave you the heads up on NZJPY. Let me try to focus my camera right there. I gave you all this signal, NZJPY. I told you how I was anticipating that move. At the same time, let me show you, we're still growing this account of ours, guys, from $50 deposit, and now you can see the same thing in the JPY. Let me see. So right over here, these are the floating profit, guys, in the JPY. So I gave you this idea, but I gave out the signal to my premium gain. You understand? So remember, the deposit from this account was $50, and this is the third trade. Our first trade was CHFJPY, followed by golden trade, and now this is the third trade, NZJPY. And you can see for now we're up $25, and equity is 195. Guys, it's not bad. Still growing this account nicely. So let me try to focus on this. How many pips to take profit? That is for the day traders. The day traders should be out in the next 5 pips. You understand? But then I'm a swing trader. I'm still going to hold on to this joint. So gang.
As usual, guys, patience. And 20 pips from now, this is now on 17th. Yeah, 20 pips from now, traders should be, that is, day traders should be out of this trade. Okay, because that will make it 54 pips. Okay, now the market played out nicely. Let me show you over here. Say day traders should be out. Market had already moved over 54 pips. Okay, so let's see. The market did this. Like I kept on, screenshotting and journaling my trade. The market did. Now, when the market was doing this, guys, I saw something like another confirmation, maybe left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So the market had that possibility of going all the way up. Okay, now right over here we had inflation rate. There was an incoming news. That was another problem. The storm was coming. The storm was coming. And news, guys, news is crazy. News might turn a good trade to a bad trade, or might turn a bad trade to a good trade. So we don't have control over it. So the market did this thing, and adios, boom. That was that bombshell. The news dropped like crazy. And crazy enough, funny enough, the market is back to our initial entry. Okay, let me just say a break even. So now onto this trading account, that is our 50 to, trying to grow this 50 to 100 guys in the JPY. So I never used a stop loss guys on this. Remember, our deposit was 50, so why will I use a stop loss? Okay, and I'm still aware guys that news is crazy, and after news the market will still try to go back to its initial position or the original direction that it was supposed to do. So I was not trading using a stop loss onto this NZDJ, onto this trade. So when most stops were taken out or most trades were closed, I was not taken out. In fact, let me just confirm. I believe I'm still in I'm still in that trade. So I'll take a screenshot and show you guys just to make sure that you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I'm still in that trade. Drawdown back to $9, -9, because remember the inverse head and shoulder that I took up there. That's the problem. I made an entry 0.033. That is now I'm down $7. But now into my first initial entry, I'm just down $0.44. So I should be okay with that. All right. So I'll take a screenshot. I'll show you guys. Like I say, I never had a stop loss. All these trades never had a stop loss. I'm going to screenshot for you guys to see. I'll have it on the screen for you guys to see. Okay, so I believe you guys learned that. And one thing, as players up guys, don't forget to manage your trades. If you are trading your trades, okay, all right. If you take your partial, okay, but I'm a swing trader. I'm okay with the drawdown guys. So I believe you learned that, and adios amigos, peace.